My friends are still not here. Oh, wait. Do you know my friends? No, yeah? Let me introduce them. One is Rashu, she's a drama queen, and another is Nivedita, she's a Wikipedia. Oh, I forgot to introduce myself. My name is Ishita, and I love nature and outdoor games, not indoor games. I finished my introduction, but still they're not here. I have to play a prank on them. But what prank? What if I search if something is there in my bag? This mask is not so good, but still I'll wear it.
Whoa!
Wow!
Whoa! What are you doing in that mask?
I thought to prank you, but you pranked me.
Okay, fine. Leave that all. Don't see when that drama queen is late again.
She is.
Okay, leave her. We'll start playing. Come on. So, what are the plans for the vacations?
Nothing. My parents are not taking me anywhere.
Even me. I'm just
bored.
getting bored in the home. That girl, she's always late.
She talks about everything. What is she?
I know, right? She talks about her dresses, her watches, and everything.
Can you be quiet for a minute?
Why? I'm just saying the truth.
So what's the truth, my friend? Please
hi.
elaborate.
Okay, I was just joking.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm serious. I was just joking.
Okay, anyways, just leave it.
Yeah, okay, fine. Just leave it.
Why are you wearing the jacket? It's so hot. I know, I just wanted to show you. This is my new jacket and my favorite one. Just go. What, Nivi?
Nothing.
Okay, anyways, just let me remove it. Yeah. So what were you guys doing? We were just planning our vacations. So what are the plans?
Okay, I have an idea. We can watch a documentary. It's really good.
Not again, Nivi. It's gonna be boring, Nivi. Yeah. You know we can go to the mall for shopping, movies and all. You would just leave it. Come let's go to the beach. Yeah, that's a good idea.
No. We're not going to the beach. I'm saying it. Okay, it's really dirty over there.
What's the problem in you, Nivi? It will be so fun. For God's sake, just come. Yeah, we'll have so much fun over there.
But fine.
Yes!
Seriously, Rashi, you so much today.
Stop it, Nivi, okay? You have no sense of fashion. This part is good. What do you think?
Yeah, fine. Come on.
Let's keep our bags. You know what, Nivi? If we would have listened to you, we would have missed the total fun.
Yeah, whatever.
You both leave it. Come, let's find something to play. Let's play badminton.
No, man, let's play cricket.
Let's play with the ball.
Hey people, did you finish the holiday homework which ma'am gave to us?
Nivi, stop discussing about the studies and let's talk about something else. Okay, so
fine.
people, what did you bring? I brought some sandwiches. I brought pizza, pasta and pastries.
Okay, I bought fruit salads.
You know what? Because of this stupid place and plastic, my whole mood has been ruined.
Yeah, I know it's right, but we cannot do anything about it. Okay, I have an idea. Let's go into the water and play.
Yeah, fine, let's go.
Yeah, come on.
Give me the ball.
Yeah, come on, let's go.
Yeah.
Oh my god, the water is so cold.
Yeah. Let's so fun.
Oh my god, people, I'm really tired. Let's go back.
No, let's stay for more time, maybe.
Oof. Hey, something this way.
Yeah, it's moving too.
Maybe it's a ghost.
Are you serious about being a ghost?
Shut up, Rashu. I think something is really serious over there. We need to go and check it out.
Oh, it's a fish.
Yeah.
Come, let's help it.
Yeah, come on.
Yeah. Be careful.
Thank God.
Guys, you did a wonderful job. We saved a life.
But why did this even happen?
Actually, I don't know much about it, but I read it in the newspaper. This happens because of the ocean plastic pollution, but even I don't know so much about this matter. Okay, I have an idea. Let's research and discuss about it tomorrow.
That's a good idea. But can you guys come to my house tomorrow at 4 o'clock?
Yeah, fine. I think it's fine
Yeah.
for me.
Okay, then 4 p.m.
Yes.
What happened to her? Denise?
Oh, hi, Rashu.
This girl, maybe stop it now.
Yeah, okay, sorry. Okay. I have got a lot of information. Anything about you?
I also got so much of information. Same here. So come, let's share our information.
Wait.
First thing,
Okay, fine.
do you know more than 90% of all the seabirds have plastic in their stomach?
Oh my God, that's really bad.
Yeah. You know, more than 8 million tons of plastic is dumped in the ocean every year. It's horrible.
I think I got the answer to the last time's incident. And when I researched further on that matter, I got to know that 1 out of 3 species of marine mammals have been found entangled in marine litter.
My God, it's getting worse.
Yeah.
OMG, so much is happening.
Yeah, even I didn't know so much about this matter.
I think it's only because of plastic.
Yeah, and think that we are putting the lives of our marine friends in danger.
Yeah, we should spread the awareness. We should tell people about it.
Yeah.
But from where should we start?
I think we can start from the school. It's a good place.
Yeah, but what should we do?
We can make PPT posters and collect information.
Yeah, I'll make PPT. Making posters is my responsibility.
Okay, fine. Then I'll collect information.
But first we have to take the permission from the supervisor. Yeah, how will we do that?
Okay, fine. I have an idea. You both continue with the PPT and posters. I'll send an email to ma'am.
Yeah, so now everything is final and let's start.
Yes! Hi, Ishita.
Hi.
Hey guys.
Hi.
So are you all ready?
Yeah. I'm ready with my research and my pamphlets.
I'm also ready with the posters.
Even I'm ready with the PPT.
So, let's go.
Yeah, come on.
Good morning, my dear friends and teachers. Today, I'm going to show you a presentation on ocean pollution. So, let me start with a small story. It's about a starfish. Once upon a time, there lived a man who had the habit of roaming in the beach before he does his work. One fine morning, when he was roaming on the beach, he saw a boy coming closer and taking the starfish and putting it into the water. The man asked, "Dear, can you tell me what are you doing?" So the boy replied, "I am just throwing the starfishes in the water because if the sunlight increases, then the starfishes will die." So the man told him, "There must be more than 10,000 starfishes over here. You won't be making a much difference." So the boy took a starfish and threw it in the water and told him, "I have made a difference for this starfish. Why can't I make it for other starfish?" So this is the theme of our story, and now the same incident that happened to us before when we saw a marine life stuck in the plastic and we saved it. But we had a question, why did it happen? So now my friend Mimi tell you more about this.
Good morning, friends, and thank you, Ishita. So, as you all know why we have gathered here today, so let me take this matter further. According to the UNEP studies, the source of ocean pollution is that 15% happens only because of littering. Now, the question is, what happens to the marine life because of this littering? This picture shows the body of an albatross found on the beach, which is the home to the largest concentration of these birds in the world. Among the contents is a cigarette lighter, several plastic bottle caps, and a lot of trash of plastic. The albatross is the largest seabird in the world and has a wingspan of over 10 feet. It is estimated that 40% of these young birds die because of ingesting plastic. The islands where they live is situated in the middle of the Pacific Ocean, which reportedly has the largest amount of plastic trash in the world. This area of plastic trash is often referred as to the Great Pacific Garbage Patch and has been described as being as twice of Texas. Okay, now as you all know that plastic rings and juice bottles are very dangerous. This turtle swam through one of those plastic rings when it was a baby and has grown up since. Unfortunately, it has lived his whole life with the ring around his body. His spinal cord is exposed now, but this shows how much our littering can cause damage to our wildlife. Okay, now look at this slide. Can anyone of you say me which sea animal is this?
Jellyfish.
Yes, you're right. But unfortunately, only one of those is a jellyfish, and the other are plastic bags. So even you must have got fooled by these pictures for a second. Imagine how easy it is for our marine life to get the same mistake. Seabirds and sea turtles love to eat jellyfish, and each year, countless animals do the same mistake and eat plastic bags. And these are some more effects of plastic. Now I hand over the presentation to our friend Rashu.
Good morning and thanks you. First of all, before jumping on plastic pollution, let's see different plastic products that we use in our day-to-day lives. Some of the products include plastic bags, building blocks and plastic chip and etc. Plastic pollution can unfavorably affect land, waterways and ocean. Living organisms, particularly marine animals, can also be affected through engagement and direct digestion of plastic waste. Studies show that 80% of marine debris is plastic. The mass of plastic in ocean is as high as 100 million metric tons. So what are the major sources of this debris, you may ask, my friends? Well, most marine debris, 80%, comes from trash and debris in urban runoff or land-based sources. Key components of land-based sources include litter, trash and debris from construction, ports and marines, commercial and industrial facilities, and trash blown out of garbage containers, trucks and landfills. Food containers and packaging are the largest component of municipal solid waste stream, 80 million tons, 31.7%. How to reduce ocean pollution? Reduce your use on single-use plastic. Once you go to your grocery, instead of using the bags which they provide you, use jute bags, paper bags or high-quality plastic bags which is reusable. Recycle. There are so many things lying around your house which can be recycled. For example, a toilet paper roll can be recycled and made into a pencil holder. Participate in a beach or river cleanup. Recently itself, our school held one beach cleanup campaign. Try to participate whenever possible. Support bans. Many municipalities around the world have effect bans on single-use plastics. Some of the countries are Tanzania, France, Kenya. Avoid microbeads. Tiny plastic particles or microbeads have become a growing source of ocean plastic pollution in recent years. Microbeads are found in some face scrubs, toothpaste and body wash. Spread the word. Do campaigns, distribute pamphlets and make charts and tell your friends about it. Just spread the word. Recycle as much as possible. At the end, it is our responsibility to make sure that we hand over a better world to our next generation. Let's take a pledge.